What is up, guys? I am Hamlock, and I am back finally to bring you a Starlink update video. This is pretty much like the step down the road version of the "Can you game on Starlink" video, you know? So this is the next step, right? It's been like 8 to 10 months since I've owned it, so hopefully this will give you a good perspective of what it would be like to be a gamer while owning Starlink. But anyways, without further ado, let's get it. So I'm not going to do anything crazy in this video. I am, however, going to show you guys some speed tests while I'm sitting here talking about it. So, you know, when I first got Starlink, you know, the download speed and upload speed were kind of a hit and miss. It was like either like a ton, like up to like 150, all the way down to like 20, right? And it kind of fluctuated. It was always back and forth. It was never, it wasn't like super consistent. And now and today, right, it's pretty much the same, but I would say that it's more towards the higher end of these numbers when I'm doing these speed tests most of the time, right? It does drop towards the lower numbers occasionally, but for the most part, it's pretty consistently up towards the higher end of the spectrum. So as far as like disconnections and drops go, it's been pretty solid. It's been pretty solid, and I can't really complain. Like every now and then you'll get a little stutter while you're gaming, or a brief like short disconnection that reconnects. But the biggest problem that you have when you're gaming is you will have hard disconnections every now and then. It doesn't really happen very often. Like I went like 2 months in a row where I didn't drop out of a single game. Like it's very, very consistent. I like it a lot. It's I can't believe that I ever actually lived without Starlink. Oh, we're actually getting some low numbers right now. I must be switching between satellites. But yeah, so it's really about you know, it's really about having good internet out where you live in the middle of nowhere. But yes, it is playable. You can play on it. It's fantastic. I will prove it to you here in a second. So if you go to my other videos on my YouTube channel, we'll go to it real quick. So I have played an entire competitive season on Starlink. You can watch all the games here, right? Every single one is me playing on Starlink. I have it paused. It's fantastic. You know, and it's just absolutely amazing to be able to play games the way that I've used to back when I lived in the big city. So, man, it's like trying to show off the low numbers for this video here. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share, is that I'm really happy with it. You are going to experience some disconnections. It's not going to be crazy horrible or anything bad, but you know, enjoy it, man. You're gonna have high-speed internet out in the middle of nowhere, and it's going to work, and you're gonna love it. The only thing that I can say is make sure your sight line is clear so you don't have any issues dealing with that kind of stuff. You know, you really, it's just, you got to have a clear view of the sky, right? Take out of the box, point towards the sky, and go, right? So, like, as you can see, like, I must have been recording this video at a bad time. Normally, it's always towards the higher end, but I must be hitting the transition between satellites, but that's all right. Doesn't bother me that much because it works and it's fairly consistent. I don't like watching videos. I don't have any issues gaming besides the brief disconnections every now and then. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys, and thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It's free, and if you don't like being subscribed to me, you can unsubscribe later. You know, that's all up to you guys, but I really appreciate the support and love. It's been great hearing back from the community and you guys about everything I've been working on and doing. And yeah, catch you next time.